Hello friends, myself Bijay sir, your chemistry teacher. Today I have made a video for the student of class 9th under heading Effect of Pressure on the Change of States of Matter. Dear viewers and my sweet students, as you know, in the previous video, we have learnt the effect of change of temperature on the change of states of matter. There are two factors which can affect the change of states of matter, and these two factors are temperature and pressure. We have learned about the effect of temperature. So in this video today we shall learn the effect of change of pressure on the change of states of matter. In the previous video, I have also described about the two factors, the two properties and characteristics of matter. The intermolecular force, intermolecular space or distance. Suppose this is a matter and these are the constituent particles. These are the constituent particles. Constituent particles. In a substance, in a matter, there is a gap, empty space between the constituent particles. That space is called intermolecular space or intermolecular distances. And the constituent particles of matter are held together by a kind of force. That force is called intermolecular force or interparticle force. The value of interparticle force or intermolecular distances are different in different states of matter. When a pressure is applied on a substance, can a substance change its state on exerting pressure upon the substance? Here, in this video, we have to learn about this fact. What happens actually on exerting the pressure on the substance so that the substance changes its state. For that, we take a gas enclosed in a cylinder. A gas we take For example, we take a gas in a cylinder and the gas is enclosed. Suppose these are the gaseous particles. These are the gaseous particles. And this is a piston. This is a piston, and these are gas particles. When we exert pressure on this piston, what happens? To make you understand what happens on exerting the pressure on this piston, I would like to sketch another diagram so that you can understand the change, effect of change of pressure on the gaseous substance enclosed in a cylinder. What happens? The gaseous particles comes very close to one another, means the intermolecular distances or the intermolecular space between the constituent particle of the gas decreased. So, what we shall say? Gas is compressed. Gas is compressed. On applying the pressure, with the help of these two diagrams, we can understand on exerting pressure on the piston is compressed. By applying pressure, particles of matter can be brought close together. By applying pressure, the particles of matter can be brought. The particles can be brought close together. Close together. Right? When we apply pressure and reduce temperature, this we do simultaneously. Do you understand simultaneously? Means both the factors, temperature and pressure, we use to change both the factors together. means we increase the pressure, we exert the pressure on the particles of matter. Simultaneously, we decrease the temperature of the substance of the matter. So when we apply pressure and reduce temperature, the gases can be converted into liquids. That is, gases will be liquefied. We may write when we apply pressure, and reduce temperature simultaneously, the gases can be converted into liquid. The gases can be converted into liquid. That is, gases will be liquefied. This conversion of gases into liquid, this process of conversion of a gas into a liquid by increasing pressure or decreasing temperature or both, right? The process of conversion of a gas into a liquid by increasing pressure or decreasing temperature or both, by increasing the pressure and decreasing the temperature simultaneously. Such process is called liquefaction. So we can write here the process of conversion of gases into process of conversion of a gas into a liquid by increasing pressure or decreasing temperature. decreasing temperature or both by increasing pressure and decreasing temperature. Simultaneously. Is called liquefaction. It's called liquefaction. Right? Now, here we have to care on 2 points. We can liquefy a gas either by increasing pressure or by decreasing temperature, or we can liquefy a gas by increasing pressure and decreasing temperature simultaneously. Right? The process of conversion of gas into liquid is called liquefaction. But there is an exception which is very popular and common exception of the conversion of gas on increasing pressure and decreasing temperature. That I would like to discuss with you by asking a question to you. What does solid carbon dioxide mean? What does solid carbon dioxide mean? This is very popular term, which is the exception of the case of liquefaction. Solid carbon dioxide is also called dry ice. Right? Solid carbon dioxide is also called what? Dry ice. Solid carbon dioxide gets converted into gaseous state directly on decreasing pressure to the normal atmospheric pressure. That is 1 atmosphere. We have learned normal atmospheric pressure is considered 1 atmosphere. The solid carbon dioxide gets converted into gaseous state directly on decreasing pressure to 1 atmosphere without coming into liquid state. So this answer we can write like this: solid carbon dioxide or dry ice converted into carbon dioxide gas. The solid carbon dioxide gets converted into its gaseous state by decreasing pressure to 1 atmosphere without coming into the liquid state. Right? Now we have learned completely about the changes of states of matter. We are now in the position to conclude the changes of states of matter. We can conclude what we can conclude? We can conclude that temperature and pressure, two factors about which we have learnt in detail one by one. These are two factors, temperature and pressure, determine the state of a substance. Determine the states of a substance. Solid, liquid or gas. Right? Now, the interchange between different states of matter may be summarized may be summarized to describe the changes of states of matter in short. We can summarize it. The interchange between different states. The interchange between different states of matter can be summarized as. Write all the three different states of matter. Liquid, solid, gas. So when solid melts, the conversion of solid to liquid is called melting, and the conversion of liquid to solid is called freezing or solidification. Right? Now, the conversion of liquid to gas or gas to liquid. The conversion of liquid to gas is called boiling or vaporization. And the conversion of gas into the liquid is called condensation. Right? Now, the third kind of change is the change between solid and gas. Conversion of solid into gas directly without coming into the liquid state, or conversion of gas into solid again without coming into the liquid state is called sublimation. It's called sublimation. Both. The process is called sublimation. Now, before completing this topic, I would like to share with you a simplified concept of different states of matter. Simplified concept. if you are asked what does solid mean, you can say a substance is said to be a solid if its melting point is above the room temperature. I have taught you room temperature. Room temperature means 25 degrees Celsius or 25 degrees Celsius or 298 Kelvin temperature is considered as room temperature. A substance is called solid if its melting point is greater than, higher than 25 degrees Celsius. Similarly, what does liquid mean? A substance whose boiling point is above room temperature. Whose boiling point is above room temperature means the substance whose boiling point is higher than or greater than 25 degrees Celsius is considered liquid in science under atmospheric pressure. This conversion, since we are discussing on the basis of change in temperature, in case of solid, also we shall say, by keeping the pressure constant at 1 atmosphere, if we measure the melting point of a substance and its value is found greater than 25 degrees Celsius, it means it is solid. At keeping the pressure constant at 1 atmosphere, if the boiling point of a substance is more than 25 degrees Celsius, means above the room temperature, it is classified as liquid. And if the boiling point of the substance is below the room temperature, means less than 25 degrees Celsius at the atmospheric pressure, it is classified as gas. Right? This is all about the effect of change of pressure on the change of states of matter. Dear student, as I have told you in my previous video, the same thing I am telling you repeatedly, that I have been trying to provide a series of video for you all, maintaining the continuity of subject matter as per your curriculum. So, I suggest you to watch all the videos provided by me one after another in a proper order, so that you can be benefited more and more. And if you are getting benefit of these videos, I would like to request you should share these videos with your friends so that they can also get benefited as you are.